I was looking at 269, but it was kind of like I was iffy about it. That was a side watch also. It just now popped over.
If
Yeah,
Tesla
my
breaks
side
this,
watches are going crazy right now.
if Tesla breaks this downtrend, so they might get something this week on it.
ES is weak here, coming into supply.
Yo, the 20750s have the most volume on BA, by the way.
Yeah, that's what I've got pulled up.
Yeah, I'm with you on that.
The
Oh,
210s have 84 in volume, bro. I don't think we're gonna get it anyways. Amazon's going for 100 or what?
You really never know with BA. That thing flips.
I was
so
about to say.
Look at Nvidia, Nor. You still like this or not? 270.
damn, man. I don't know.
I don't think I want to take this. My first entry was 269 into 270. I can't even swap
270.
fast enough
Yeah.
anyways. 2 cents away. There it goes. It just broke. Never mind.
Broke by a couple cents though. I'm actually happy about that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that 269 entry would have been killer.
Actually, BA is actually gaining some volume on these contracts.
Yeah, normally they don't.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Imagine like now it's just not gonna happen.
The Nvidia's holding up here like in Q, and Q's pushing. ES is trying to drop. Can't do nothing with that.
Everything in
NQ's above 900, 12900.
We're not getting BA, fellas, ladies and gents.
I wouldn't count it out just yet, George.
I was gonna say it's definitely still possible.
BA can literally
And counting
flip the
out
switch.
Stop right here.
Only annoying thing is when it does flip the switch, like this candle could legit go straight through 208.
Yeah.
It decides to do its BA magic.
James, so to watch out for that, like what we do usually, it is wide, but since they are picking up volume, normally as the level gets closer, that spread will get tighter, and that's when you know it's almost ready to go ahead and take off. When you
Yeah,
start to notice the spread.
It's always the pullbacks in these clunky stocks that smoke you.
Bro, Nvidia looks strong.
Was about to break that downtrend at 195.
What?
I have a downtrend on Tesla at 195.
Oh yeah, I had that too. That's what I was talking about yesterday. I'm still not ready for that. As far I don't want it to happen today.
Nah, I'm not interested in Tesla till all the way to 197 as of now. If not 200, 250 cents.
I would keep an eye on BA here.
It's starting to do this funny business. Tesla's out of here.
I'm not sure, Kieran. I'd have to see how things are and where futures are. Possibly. I wanted initially, not really. That wasn't my initial plan. I wanted the 98.50. But I mean, it probably could. It looks strong right now. Super strong, actually.
These BA contracts have almost 1,000 in volume. That could be a good indicator. They don't usually get this much volume.
Yeah, they're actually holding up pretty well too. They're like, I'm looking at the contract chart, they're like almost where they were at open.
Yeah, the 207.50s, the spread isn't terrible.
Yeah, I might rock with the 207.50s here. These have the better volume of the two than the 210s.
No volume on the actual stock though. Not
That's
yet.
on Amazon both breaking out at 100 and
Yeah, I was just saying you just need one strong candle here of volume coming in on BA, and this thing is gone.
Tesla's handling business. I love to see it for the rest of the week. This breaks today. We have a insane week ahead of us. We already have a great week right now, but it's gonna be crazy.
I'm talking about that Tesla 200.
Yeah, but this trend here, remember that trend I sent you yesterday?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, that trend ends at like around 197, right? That
Bro,
it
it
finally
ends
breaks it.
actually a little bit earlier, maybe like 196 now, today.
Amazon broke 100. A nice
Yeah,
push.
whoever caught Amazon there, that was clean.
You guys weren't a fan of that one?
I wanted 98.50. Once it started breaking out, like it was just, yeah, I wasn't interested anymore. But yeah, it looked clean, super clean.
They just broke high a day. And it's starting to move. Look at Tesla.
Tesla doing
trying to
its
break that
thing,
downtrend.
man.
If it breaks that downtrend, we should have a nice place set up for this week.
Yeah, it's literally right at it. Just touched it. 195.60. Yeah, I was watching that before BA.
All right, BA showing a green candle here. While you um, it's a good intraday resistance. I mean support right there that is building. But I'm still watching BA here, Robin. Be patient here. There's no volume yet on anything, especially a BA.
BA waits to get close to the level and then everyone just steps in. Broke 207 on the odds. If we they're above.
Yeah, BA just broke over 207 for the first time here.
You need the bid to meet the ask right now. It's struggling to get above that. Oh, here you go. There's the bid.
Starting to get some volume.
Yeah, it's trying. for sure.
I see a wall at 207.30 with 3,000, and other than that, I don't see any big walls until 208, but it's kind of the same size 2,000 wall.
Right now, we're kind of like riding the top side of a 5-minute uptrend. We broke below it earlier, but now we're like retesting it.
Oh, yeah, I see that. Kind of want to do half at like 207.50 and then 208.
I already have a light position in right now.
Same.
I have them up 15% right here.
Same. I'm up 8%. Very light though.
Yeah.
Just want to build a cushion for these spreads.
Put
There's
it
a,
low.
it took the wall out at 207.33. There's another one here at 207.40. It just chipped some of it.
I'm up 15% here.
I'm up 22%.
Yeah, these contracts are kind of moving.
Yeah.
Might-
I'm not looking to I might not add. I have such a good average.
I'm not adding at all. Need some more momentum here.
Oh,
Finally
here
got
we go.
ES
Look, the
pushing.
volume. The volume's starting to kick in now.
Mm-hmm. Might cut a few here, actually.
Wow, up 25%. Look at the
Probably.
volume.
I'm
At
waiting for
207.70.
Oh
guys.
my god, I just cracked this trade.
Guys, I'm in these.
Oh my god.
207.50 calls, guys, for BA. I think this takes off here. I'll keep a tight stop at 207. Let's be smart.
There it goes.
Oh, there it
Wow.
goes.
Wow.
Oh my god.
I just sold half. I'm still in half.
Let's go.
Bingo, baby!
Let's
Oh
go.
my god, bro.
Frankie, I love you. Good job.
God, man.
Great
I
work,
got
great
on the
work.
rest. Damn, bro.
Team Mason, baby.
Nah, trust me, not Team Mason.
He was danking Team Mason a minute ago. Don't worry.
Yeah, okay.
Bro, that high break paid me like 25%.
Yo, that high into
Oh
that
my
208 was crazy.
God, bro. I think I got 50% on
Jesus
that.
Christ.
I have to do the
George.
math, but
George.
George's still in. I know he is.
Dude said Team Mason. Trust me.
Oh my, I was in that trade for 10 minutes. Jesus Christ, bro.
But it was
Those
pretty
are-
smooth for you, right? Because you had a small position.
Yeah.
Bro, I
It
sold
was just
half the
annoying because
high.
no volume was coming in, and I was talking over the mic when I would mute myself with a recording on what was going on.
BA is
Right.
annoying because this will literally shoot up to 209, 2010, and it just won't give you another chance.
I almost sold that peak there. Damn.
I sold half with the bid at 208.80, or sorry, 208.20, and then it pulled back to 208.05. I sold the other half and got a better fill.
Look at the spread when it pulled back there, 30 cents. That wasn't doing it before when I was in earlier. I was green that like entire trade, which is crazy.
Bro, it's in so light too, and I made a rack. That's crazy.
I almost made
only-
I almost made 2 racks, bro.
I was in with
The
like
only
2 grand.
annoying thing about BA and stuff is if you miss the original entry, it's really hard to catch it. Like, it's really annoying.
I think your
And
entry, your
it's
entry was
risk-
spot on, bro. Nor
it's-
your entry
it's-
spotted out.
You like my entry, though? That was a perfect entry for the chat.
Yeah.
Exactly, for the chat, it was perfect.
Yeah.
These were my fills for anybody. Yeah, I got in at 9:35.
Oh, the market pulled back on that candle. So BA pulled back with the market. That's actually interesting.
Adam, when did you get? What time did you get in? Because as soon as I said I had an early position, everyone started saying they had an early position.
BA 930. Come on, load, baby. 936. End of
Gotcha.
936.
Okay.
How about you?
9:35, like a minute before you.
I took a really small position, like 1K.
Did you add there, Adam, or no?
Yeah, I added at 9:44:05, right around North Signal.
Base is consolidating. It could have another big move here.
BA?
Yeah, it's
Yeah, if anybody's
consolidating
still
heavy.
in, it still looks really good.
There's a
Mm-hmm.
bull flag.
George is in still.
Yeah, I'm holding half my position. I'm not in heavy.
I
I
figured you
locked in
sold
some
half
profits.
right there. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm still up 25% here on my open position, but I'm getting ready to cut it actually here if it doesn't start pushing.
That's my feels.
How do you know? I mean, I'll ask you after the trade. I'll wait.
I cut right before that drop. What were you gonna say?
I was gonna ask when you scale out. So like my target on this was 208, right? I sold my entire position when it broke that, and you sold probably half there, and you were probably holding the other half.
No, because my next target was 209.
Right. How would you know when to cut the other position?
Well,
Like,
see how it was consolidating? It looked good still. Like to me, it looked like it could have been another run. Like I had an early entry with you. I was in a little after you, so I hit like a 37% on my full position when I was when it broke 208. So for me, like, all right, so like I'm go ahead and cut half, and then let's see how much momentum it loses. And it was like on the pullbacks, it was really weak, and it wasn't pulling back hard enough where I was like, okay, I'm still super green. I was up like 25% even on that first red candle afterwards, you know. So I was like, okay, let me just hold half here. My next target is 209. Let me see how well it picks up here. Maybe it's just gathering itself, gathering momentum, getting itself like, hey, do we want another leg or not? You know what I mean?
Gotcha. Okay.
And then, like I said, each drop had very little momentum. Like, and it started consolidating, getting tighter and tighter. And then finally, on that last one, on the last push, when it was trying to go from red to green, then I saw that it didn't have no volume also pushing up.
I
And
see
like,
that.
you see what I'm talking about? So like the
Yeah.
volume is super important also both ways when it's trying to push up and then when it's trying to come back down. If
Gotcha.
that
Okay.
makes any sense.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Because when I
But yeah,
do when I have trades like that, I never know when to sell the other half for green. Like if it starts going against me. So.
yeah, so for me, it was my next target, 209. So that was my next target, anyways. And after 209, I probably would have cut half if there was still a lot of momentum. But if it was a week approaching 209, I might have cut half before it got to 209, and then like sold on the 209. But if it was super strong once it was going to make a new high, then I was going to hold all the way to 209 and cut half there. And when I cut half there at 209, if the momentum was there, I was looking at 209.70. So those were my targets. Just depends how you get there. It's like, hey, if am I gonna sell everything at 209 or am I cutting half again on the momentum?
Okay. Gotcha. Thank you.
Crazy.
Yo, guys, I just sent my NQ again. I think I fixed it. Is it legit?
No